If you go in and delete photos or videos on your iPhone, they're not actually permanently deleted. They just get moved over to the recently deleted folder and they'll sit in there for 30 days. So if you want to free up some space or you want to make sure that is permanently deleted, I'll walk you through those steps. First, just open up the Photos app on your iPhone here. And in the Photos app, let's just choose a random photo and hit the trash can and delete it. So I've deleted that photo of my dryer that I was working on because it had issues. And now I can make sure that it is permanently deleted by tapping on Collections here. If you don't see Collections and it looks like this, just tap on the two photos and then tap on Collections. You'll be able to see a bunch of folders and some of these might be open, but you're going to look for Utilities and tap on that. And then you'll be able to see the third option known as Recently Deleted. Just tap on that and it will show you all of those recently deleted photos. Let's free it up by tapping on Select at the top right, and then the three dots at the top right. And then we can choose Delete All and then Delete from All Devices. This will permanently delete those photos and videos and actually free up space on your iPhone if you're starting to run out of space. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.